Okay, now moving on to the next question. Statement 1. The Planning Commission of India had the power to allocate funds directly to states for plan implementation. Statement 2. NITI Aayog, which replaced the Planning Commission, functions only as an advisory body and has no power to grant funds to states. Okay. So if you have some background, if you have done any initial reading on this topic, you would know that the main difference between NITI Aayog, which actually replaced the Planning Commission, is that it does not have the power to allocate any funds. That is the main difference between the two bodies. In fact, Planning Commission was actually criticized for acting as a super cabinet, right? So that is actually because of the power to allocate funds, right? So this is actually correct. NITI Aayog replaced Planning Commission, functions only as an advisory body. So this is actually correct. Okay, NITI Aayog as of now is just simply a advisory body. It focuses on improving the research ecosystem, improving the data availability for the government to make policies, right? So it has no power to grant funds. This is actually correct. This is actually correct. So you can see that option A is directly correct. Okay.